attention. Do you owe money? So I called on my brother, see what he could do. I said, brother, let you help you, but I'm unable to. You've got that luck again, the one out I had when I was led. Your face is just beaming. I don't know if it's even in your mind at all. Should be me at this moment in time.